Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi guys. So I did a thing. I have been really curious about the Woobles. I'm curious about how they package it, what comes in the package, how they distribute the pattern, how the videos for the patterns look. I've been very curious about that. So I went and ordered this one. And the reason why I ordered this one was because I thought, like, in the past when I've made stuff, my boys have wanted it. They're 15 and 17 now. And so when this came in, I showed them and I was like, "Ooh, who wants it?" And both of them were like, "Mom, that's so lame." So I guess this one is going to be mine. It didn't work out the way I thought that it would. But I haven't opened it yet. And also I wanted to say that I am not affiliated. I don't get paid for my review. I in no way get any kind of compensation. Woobles doesn't even know that I exist. So I just wanted to say that everything I said here is just because it's my opinion, and that's the way I wanted. You know, I didn't get it. I don't get any compensation for this. So the front, I love that. Okay, it's in a nice bag and a nice, colorful, vibrant, clear picture on the front of the bag. And the back of the bag, I'm just taking a little peek. It's nice because it tells you everything that's in it. It gives you a little story here. Meet your next hobby. And then it says it should be 3 to 8 hours to complete. So that will check out too. I can't make it on camera because I don't want to break any copyright laws. So I won't be able to show you the pattern and I won't be able to show you any of the tutorials. But I will show you the bag, and then I'm gonna lean it down and I'll show you the contents, and then I'll go ahead and make it. And then after I make it, I'll come back and I'll give you my review of what I thought of it. So let's go down and I'll open the bag with you and show you what's inside. Okay, here we are. And I know once I open it, I've opened it. So let's go ahead and do that. It's resealable, which is nice. I guess you could put it away and then come back to it. All right. Oh, it's funny. It does tell you on the yarn band what kit this is from. Okay, so we got a little bit of white. I noticed, I think the only white that's in it, unless there's some in the back, is the triangle stitching. And there's not really a lot of black. It looks like there's a black circle, black belt, a little bit of stitching, and the hands. So hopefully all of this is enough. And it's funny, they call this the red guard, but really this is pink. But again, they have the Squid Game on the label ball band, their name. And this is the beginner yarn. You know, I've gotten this from Amazon before, just by itself, not in a kit. And then there's a little bag of stuffing. Wee Woobly Bits instructions inside. Has the Squid Game stuff. Did I get everything? I got everything out of the bag. So this is everything that comes in it. Oh wait, I thought there was, oh, it rolled away. There was also a hook here, a Squid Game hook. So that's cool. I can reuse this and have that forever. It doesn't say what the millimeter is, does it? No, it just kind of has the permissions there. So I'll have to look in the directions and see what size this is, and then I'll just have to remember that for future projects. All right, so I'm gonna get started with making it, and then I'll come back when it's done and let you know how long it took and what I thought of it. All right, I had to show here, this was inside, so I didn't see it when I first opened up, but when I went to pull the yarn out, they had a magic circle already started and 3 stitch markers already attached. I didn't move it. This is how it was when I pulled it out. So yeah, you don't have to even know how to do the magic circle. They do it for you, which I guess in some ways is good, in some ways is bad. You have to learn how to do it yourself eventually. Okay, I have to show you what's going to annoy me here. They don't pull from the center, and that annoys me because it's a pain in the neck to try and deal with the yarn. I just like it better when you pull from the center, but I guess it's not everybody's preference, so I just thought I'd show you that. All right, here we are, all finished. I think it turned out cute, and it took me 1 hour, 51 minutes to complete. So what I did was I did partial reading the pattern and partial video tutorial, and what I did the video tutorial on was mostly the embellishments, you know, putting the belt on. I wanted to see how they did that. I could have done it just by the written directions, but I really wanted to see how they did it, and the tutorials were very helpful to show that kind of thing. And they also show you how you can do the square or the circle, so you could choose whichever shape you wanted, triangle, square, or circle. I just decided to go with what was in the picture. And this is what I had left over. I still have the hook and the sewing needle and the stitch markers. I just didn't put them in here. And it might actually be enough for me to do a second one. I'm not sure. I'm probably not going to, but I think that there is quite a bit left over, so I think I probably could if I would have wanted to make a second one. So thanks for watching and going through this whole thing with me, and let me know if you've ever done a Woobles and what your experiences are.